In this one, I'll be showing you the Ashika key to City Hall Fortress. What you need to do is, once you have it, head across to the southwest side of the map here by the beach club in E6. When you zoom in, you'll find the City Hall here with the icon. Simply head here and there are many entrances that we can get in. So, using the City Hall key, you can get inside. Obviously, there will be quite a bit of pushback when you do, so do be prepared. It's not something you can just waltz into. There we go. Putting up a bit of resistance. We're finally in, and once inside you can enjoy the spoils of your efforts. There'll be quite a few orange boxes for you to loot, though do be aware there are usually 2 to 3 shielded enemies in here, so it could be a little bit of a fight once you do get in here to maintain your safety. Though with tons of orange boxes, this is more than worth your time and effort. So even better, I'm being targeted by an enemy, so it's about time I get out of dodge, or at least hold down. So thank you all for watching, mine has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao!